Welcome to this video, how to use Shein points at checkout. It's really easy. So I'm going to open up the Shein application, and then all you have to do is register an account, and then you'll have the application. So choose what you want to purchase of Shein. I'm just going to select this random product right here, and then I'll tap on the first thing that I see. Now I'm going to add to the cart at the bottom. I'm going to choose a medium. Then I'm going to go add to cart. Now to go to the checkout, all you need to do is to tap onto the shopping cart button right over there, and you'll be able to check out. So tap on checkout at the bottom. We got some other thing added there, but that's okay. And now you need to select standard shipping, and you can see here it says apply voucher, gift card, and if you tap onto this view more button right there, you'll be able to see points. Okay, so if you have enough points, you'll be able to use your points at checkout, or if you have a certain amount of points, you can put that towards your order. So you can select the points, and then so if you tap onto points, you need to choose how many points you want to allocate, and then tap on to apply. I don't have any points, but then once you've applied your points, you can continue to the payment, pay for your order, and then that's it. So if this helped you out, drop a like onto this video, and I'll see you in the next one.